Get it. Check it. He's running away from me right now. Looking at some of the new inventory over here, David's trailer store. It's just nothing but the best. Easy there. Passing through Winnemucca. Buddy David's not in town. I had a Little Man hat for his Little V-Belt and Son hat. Website, check him out. But we're gonna check out the new Diamond C trailer and a couple other things he's got in inventory to showcase some of the stuff he's got. This is a new engineered beam. Saves a ton of weight. We'll go into full detail on it. But rumor is that this trailer, it's one of the first that actually hit the ground for, I don't know, general public. And my buddy Arthur was going to buy this one. Something happened, but David ended up with it. And it's pretty much like a Cadillac of hotshot trailers. 2.0. Little comparison video. Oh, I don't know what to say about it. It's pretty much the same as mine, but it's not. Lower deck, shorter. Looks to be 10K axles on it, and it's got something I should probably just add to mine. It's a telescoping cylinder, because when I bought mine, I originally spec'd it out to be a bumper pull, and I didn't want that thing sticking up 2 feet in the way. So I ended up going to a gooseneck. Wouldn't have been that big a deal. By the way, here's a trailer store, little clicker bait. There's one big special trailer over here we want to check out also. He's got a couple other randoms. A couple little Diamond C bumpers. That's nice. He's been painting those. They don't normally come painted like that. They're normally just straight wood. Yeah, I guess I should just weld one of those on it. It looks like somebody stole the hitch off the front and left the trailer. Heavy duty right there. This is a new brand that David started carrying. Another thing I was kind of curious to see how they turned out. I think these are made in Mexico. Looks to be a pretty decent little trailer. Not bad, really. For the price that these things are, I mean, he's got them on the lot. He's got several back there. These things are very, very affordable. David gives awesome prices across the board anyway, but it looks like a nice little unit. The subwoofer. So this right here is one of the first 3 official kind of on the road engineered beam 2.0. I don't really know the differences other than it's some really hardcore steel that's hard to get. It comes from Switzerland. I believe that's, I hope I say that right. It's been a minute since I talked to him. But it's got tag axle. This thing, it's even got a step on the back. The hotshot trailer dream pretty much right here, aside from maybe a hydraulic dove. But a trailer like this, 40 footer with the new engineered beam, rumored to save over 1,000 pounds from their old trailer, which is 1,000 pounds lighter than a conventional trailer. Like that Big Tex right there. Do a light comparison. Big Tex are pretty lightweight trailers as it is. They're, I'd say, entry level, very cheap, and flexible trailers. Pretty much all your standard features everywhere else on this whole girl. Winch box, stuff like that up here. This is the one that was, I believe, was already in the show. And they got a couple testers out going around. But this is not a cheap trailer. But look down. See the arch? Engineered beam. Diamond C calling card on their trailers like this. And then like, there's nothing on this. I mean, this trailer is only rated from, it's got probably 2 10K axles. Does have the hutch suspension, but you know, there ain't no frame underneath this thing. And I guarantee you that frame weighs more on that one than this one. The bigger web, thinner steel, just designed. Got the huge 40K coupler on there. Solar panel, lights on it. Got the 2-speed jack. It looks like needs to have hydraulic, but whew. Say the empty weight on this trailer right here, 40-footer, is 8,700 pounds. Absolutely unreal. Tag axle would be pretty sweet. Definitely on long hauling. You want to go something like that. I don't even think you want to ask how much the tag axle is just for that little guy. Oh yeah. Try those ramps. You tried, this is your first Diamond C experience. He's tried the Texas Pride ones many a times. Just pick it up with one finger, if you will. 2-finger it? Yeah, don't, oh, you selling it. They ain't gonna sell no trailers now. Here, let me get a try on this thing here. I know the big Tex ain't that bad over there, but it's a latch so you don't hear it rattling all the time. You lock her down. Roll valve. Oh yeah,
that's a good idea.
Now you don't have to hear the sucker going clink, 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 clink.
I guess you can't leave it right there.
What you mean?
When you're, well, you got to have it down, huh?
Yeah, or you put it up in the 90. That's so nice. Double rib reinforcement compared to a lot of other brands. We can use this for an example right there. Like the industry standard trademark Mega Ramp versus Max Ramp, for example. They only got the one rib in the center. Kind of nice. I got the double on this one. Here we go. Ladies, don't get excited. Oh.
It is pretty heavy still, but
oh, it's heavy, no doubt. But
heavy
get a kick out of people saying, "Well, you got to have a heavy ramp, or else it'll wear out." There's no problem with having stuff that's built to last, but at some point you got to realize you don't want to be destroying your own arm by trying to pick the thing up. So that spring system that makes sense. The big Tex over there looks like I'll get tetanus if I touch that one. Oh, and this is trade-in. It's for sale. They bought a Diamond C. Look at some of the other dumps that he's got over here. Trailers turning into a water wagon. Bet you'd be cheaper. That's what I talked to David about like 2 years ago. Yeah, these are carry-on trailers. These are Winnemucca, locally built. I believe these ones, they dip in paint. They take the whole thing, Haas, throw it in a bucket. They're built right down the road there somewhere. These are definitely not expensive trailers. This is a homeowner affordable. But then somehow those Ed trailers, they're not too much more than this, from what I've heard. This one over here looks expensive. Let's check it out. Oh, hydraulic jack. Told you it's expensive. Oh yeah. Got the whole 9. It's just like mine, except for mine's black. It's only 16 foot, and then it's got the wood up top. And this is scissor action as well. Looks to be an 18 footer, maybe a 20. That's what your trailer is going to be right there. No. I don't, no, it's not going to be a full tilt deck like that, I don't think. Might be. I don't know. This is mine. This goes to my dump trailer. Or that one is. They're the same. Or it goes on something else. I don't know. I ordered it with the trailer. It showed up in the second shipment.
So this is how they come without chasing.
Yeah. He takes those off anyway when he's out of town. Yeah. Yeah, this is like a 22 footer. It says on there somewhere. More than likely. Oh, yep, we're up there. Spec sheet, where you at? You like that color?
Yeah. Structure's punching.
Well, it looks like either he customed it like that or somebody wanted 2 of the same. Definitely gonna know when that guy's in town. Yeah, check this out. I mean, I don't know what the story is on this trailer, but anyway, it's kind of cool. You take your sideboard out, it turns into a dirt bike ramp or quad ramp. Both sides. That's kind of cool. Tie downs. Put your little clip in there.
Oh. That's real good.
This thing's definitely a quad hauler, dirt biker. This is actually pretty neat that he's got inventory. Normally it's months behind, basically, because as soon as he gets the trailer, the guy that bought it came and picked it up. Everything's kind of built to order, but these Ed trailers definitely coming in the clutch for inventory. Carry on, that's the same as those little guys down the road. Not a bad little trailer. Yes. So I've been shopping at the trailer store for a number of years now. That'll be 4 trailers I bought from him, 3 Diamond Cs and a Charmac cargo trailer. This trailer in the photo was my first one I bought from him quite a few years back. Later on this summer, hoping that the 2.0 version of this trailer will show up to go behind the new 5500. I had a big old plan. I was going to stop in there with the cab chassis trucks when we were coming back from Idaho and swoop up the deck and the neck and throw it back on the cab and chassis. I thought it looked kind of cool, but I'll be honest, we were pretty beat. We pretty much drove through the night on a Thursday to get there on Friday morning, bought the 2 trucks, drove back. Wanted to stop and hang out with David, but unfortunately he was out of town having fun. So we just went and checked out the inventory, dropped off that little gift for him. Very helpful gentleman. He makes things happen when it comes to ordering these trailers. Again, there's a huge weight on any of these trailers. So I bought, this trailer from him. I bought the little buddy. I bought the dump trailer from him. And my dad's trailer, the mini buddy, is what I'm going to be calling it. 16-foot tilt deck. That should be here. It's already, everything's in the process and everything. Done deal going for that. That one's confirmed. Build sheet and all that. It should be July or August sometime. Go swoop that thing back up and go back out there, and I'll grab the deck on the neck then. But until next time, wanted to check out the new 2.0 trailer. It is a sight to see how big that trailer is and what it weighs with that rating. It's intense. So anyway, check them out. Diamond C Trailer Store. We'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good one.